This is the Samsung 7.4, I believe, and 4.2 front load washer and dryer. So far so good. Yes, it is leaving a little water behind after each cycle, but it's nothing that I can't clean out and control. And you're supposed to leave the washer open between each cycle, is what I've been told. I've researched and I've heard complaints of rattling, and I don't get that. As of the noise level, it can be a little quieter, but it doesn't bother me. I'm gonna go ahead and start this load. I love the sound effects and the noise that these make. Forgive me if this isn't a great review. This is my first time doing this, and I just want to help those make buying decisions and try and grow our YouTube. But this kind of tells you just about every step of the way. Wash, rinse, spin, and I believe it's child lock here, and I haven't went through the owner's manual yet. Not yet. Well, I hope this helps you all in your buying process of a new washer and dryer. Yes, it is said to last 3 to 5 years, but I really do believe if you take good care of it and do what you're supposed to do, clean it every month as needed, and don't use the right detergent, I guess you just gotta cross your hands from there. But you can hear it operating now. I'm really happy with this purchase. I feel like such an adult. It's the first time I needed to purchase a washer and dryer, and I wanted to spend a little more money and not buy the cheapest out there. Because I've read research, good and bad, about all of them. So I decided to take my chances with and spend a little more money on these. These here I got at Lowe's. They were originally $5.29, but I also had a 10% discount, and it worked out in my favor. In addition to, of course, you have to purchase the hose assembly, the power cord, and also the vent, which is the cheapest part of this buying decision. And I even have some extras left over. Wouldn't even need to use that. And not sure what these are, but just in case they come in handy, I'll keep them. And there you have it, guys. So far, so good. Day 2.